got palm, can tell how I made it. I been at the bottom, remainers, he dated. So Benji, I'm coming, he got us to come as he wait for the greatness. Wait for the break. Nothing is ever forgiven. I been at my west, now I'm counting my blessings. Shout out to Roy, he made hella beat. Giga, he got me 1G. I never thought I'd be riding your G where you rappers keep claiming you better than me. I got this thing in my heart, and in my mind, show I'm rapping so beautifully. Can't even forget or forget for most of you niggas who hated on me. They're talking about how many racks. I tell him, K, he's been away cause now he's betting vitals all over the hood. And he got made on top of the shit. Bet he was tired of fucking with kiddos, so he got himself a tall on your bitch. How that is leak, ever be trying to respond. They better come at me with something way more than a hit. Something like this, call it a hit, they better believe. He don't believe. Cathilex. Sheesh. It must be believed. We ain't been the hardest in the hood now, but we been working hard, yeah, that's all we know. Putting our names on the map, yeah. It's K27 and we do the most. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now they gon' hear us on the radio.
Yes, yeah, this is my comeback. Yeah, I told them I came back. Yeah, they about to trigger, he can't rap. Yeah, haters taking behind my back. They about to trigger, feel like I'm sure so uza mangi chelo kuto ringa man. Vele chele na lentono melo kutava ye fer nyega dale nam. Nimchele vele ngaka isuse nam. Intona vele nyega repe nam. Osanga zamu fa kumchiso nyega ngole nyega kuye mega pale ngam. It's K27 tot. Lenti sigo lenti sekazini. Nchiza yami kuma tot. Pele hlale gcwele magazine. I pull the trigger high chin. Kuta sinayo ngazuthele phansi. Fika utrigger nkampini. Ngale ngothatha ama chance. Utrigger inkalakatha nani nazi ngcono nivume mina baba kulo mdlalo. Owama 2K dona ngeke ubuye chana shisa thina kulo mdlalo. Usazophuma phele nyeke hlale wena nale body lakho lirap amanga. I fire straight shots baba ijika kusizukufihla ngoba nipush imanga manga.
We ain't been the hardest in the hood now, but we been working hard, yeah, that's all we know. Putting our name